it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to film a plan with me video today, and I'm going to use butterflies and I'm going to mix metals. And I'm sorry I'm not filming a flat layout, but I don't have time to do that today. But I hope the result will be great. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos like 3 times a week. One of them is always planner related or stationery related or something like that. And the rest of the videos are beauty, lifestyle, cooking, things like that. Things that I like. Vlogs in Greece. Well, I'm not going to Greece anytime soon, but things like that. So it would be great if you subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to grow, trying to reach that 500 subscribers number. And yeah, so let's watch what I'm going to use. I created little sticker boxes from this book, which is the Botanic Nature. I got this from the range. It's really pretty. And if I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it in the description box. But you can also get it from the range in the UK. I think it was about £2, so that's really good. And I used my sticker maker. And because this is paper, I'm going to use this double-sided sticky tape. Stick It. I don't know what the brand is. I think it's called Tombow or something like that. I'll link it in the description box if I can. If I can find it. I got this off Amazon. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you the planner spread. So my hope is to create, hang on, let me just put my hand somewhere so I'm not wobbly. My hope is to create a mixed metals textured butterfly spread. So I know this is silver, and I'm going to use these stickers as well. I don't remember where I got these from, but I did get these from the range. So if you like them, hang on, let me show you what they look like. If you like them, check them out. Go to the range. And I don't know if I've told you, if you've been watching my channel, you should know I'm colorblind. So I don't know what color this is. I'm hoping it will match with all these things. It kind of looks like it does, but who knows. Anyway, I'm not going to be bothered. I've already cut them up, so I'm going to use them. So yeah, let's see how this is going to pan out. I have already covered up the sides here with a label. So the sides of my planner have already been covered. This is very, very colorful, so that's why I'm going to use these. And I'm probably going to use one here and then another one and just cover them all up. And then I will show you my covered top boxes. So I covered the top boxes. I think it looks kind of cute. What do you think? I have no idea what color this is. Let me just come closer. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. So, but I think it matches. And even if it does, who cares? This is supposed to be fun. I'm not gonna, I just want to make it look pretty. So I've covered that. Now I'm going to cover this up. I'm probably going to use some more of the extra paper left from here. So I'm going to put a little bit there and just cover that up. Cover the notes up. And then I'm going to start creating I'm going to use washi tape. I'll show you in a minute. Skinny washi tape. And then I'm going to start creating my textures. Let's see. Okay, so my washi tape is in this really, really nice box, a storage box. I really like it. And I think I'm going to use like whites so I don't have too many colors. I'll choose whites with metallics. And let's see, I'll show you in a bit. So these are the two I'm going to use. This one, I got these off Amazon. They're really good quality. And this one, they're metallic, but I don't know if it shows up. I think my camera is focusing on this. If you haven't tried these, they fit like 150 washi tapes, and I don't have that many in there. But yeah, really happy with this purchase. I got it off Amazon. I think it was like 14, 15 pounds. Okay, so I have put washi tape, skinny washi tape here, and skinny washi tape here until the end. And I like having a little bit of the edge popping out, and then I put the line over there as well. And I covered this here, but I made a boo-boo. Be careful when you're trying to stick with this sticky tape. It's glue, so I almost destroyed this paper, and you can see that a little bit. I didn't get it right, but anyway. And that's the ice cream man, because it's warm in the UK. Woohoo! Okay, so I added little boxes here. And then this is what I mean by creating texture. So I used this one from, whatchamacallit. Ideally, I would have liked it if it was gold, but then I thought, it doesn't matter. I will just put silver and gold together. So I used these from the range, and then some 3D butterfly stickers. And I think it looks pretty. So I'm just going to put some of these all over, and then I'll add my plans. Here's what the butterfly looks like on its own. So you might just want to use the silver and not the gold ones or the colourful ones. Also, I'm trying to match the size. So this is a colourful one, and I'm trying to find one that matches the same size. So maybe that one. So they can look like similar in size. And like one is coming out of the other one. I just realised I've been decorating the wrong week because I hadn't decorated last week. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I really, really like the way this spread is looking, so I might as well just put butterflies all over it. So, what have I done here? I put little butterflies down, and then, as I said, I've been layering silver with the colourful one. There you go, up close. And then more there, here, and then some more layering, and layering over there. And here, I really like this one. I don't know about the colors, guys, so it doesn't make any difference to me. Let me just show you from up high. It doesn't make a difference to me, but I think it looks so pretty. I hope it doesn't look crap, and I'm telling you that it's so pretty. So I'm just going to add a few more since I've got the wrong dates. And I'm not going to put anything here. So, yeah, this is going to be a no ink plan with me because I used the wrong week. But on the other hand, I can do another plan with me. I don't know if I'm going to have time for that though. Okay, so I've added a few more butterflies, and I'm just going to do some memory keeping. So I'm going to write down some of the things I did, and I'll show you later on. The sticker book I used, these stickers, the important, and these two boxes are from this book, and I'm really happy with it. So it's a really nice book. If you haven't, I'll just flip through it so you can see what it looks like. What's it called? I have no idea. Anyway, it's 4-5. I don't know. Such a good day. I don't even know what it's called. But these are stickers from it. Let me just show you. You can't see everything, but yeah. So that's the sticker book. Now let me show you my final spread, which I actually made for memory keeping. I'll just go a bit higher up so you can see it. And my hands are probably trembling, so sorry. And now I'll just do a close-up. So I put a sticker up there, and then a sticker there, and then two stickers, one in the other. I really like that effect. I don't know, it looks nice to me. I don't know if it looks nice to everyone. And then I just put a few butterflies here, and because I didn't have anything to put here, I just added some silver butterflies. And then here, some more butterflies all coming in, and I just wrote down things that I did on those days, and another one here. So yeah, this is what you can do if you put all your lovely stickers on the wrong page, on the wrong pages. This is what you could do if you have different textures of different kind of stickers. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow, and it makes me so happy when I see that my subscribers have gone up, and it's really nice to see your support. Like the planner community, the planner community has been really, really helpful. So would be great if you did subscribe and even watch my beauty videos and plus size videos and vlogs from Greece and food from Greece. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video maybe. Give this video a thumbs up. Even if you don't want to subscribe, you just give it a thumbs up and then you can watch me pop up in your channel suggestions. So that would be great as well. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.